Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another Ruler 99 box break. So I'm doing a box of 2011-2012 SP Authentic that ended last night on eBay. That would be February the 2nd, so Saturday night, between 8:30 and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A little bit of a late start. This is the last break I have to catch up on here. Prime just hasn't been released yet. Okay, so the last team was Winnipeg Jets. They ended at 8:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Current eBay time is 10:59 a.m., so we're looking at 14 hours after the last auction ended. Serial number, which I did not check to see if it matched, but let's find out. NE1632134553. Yep, looks good to me. I'll show it to you right now on webcam. If you go 1080p on YouTube, full screen, you will not see it because it's not focusing. However, if you wait a half second, I'll take off the autofocus and just do it myself. I'll tighten it up to there. That reflection away. It's hard to see. NE1632134553. I can see it. It's a little dark, but I can see it. I hope you guys can too. This is, of course, a sealed box of SP Authentic. I wouldn't do anything other than that. I'm just going to put the autofocus back on. I pull all my boxes from cases, as everybody knows. So let's get going. I don't know what number this is, so it's either number 3 or number 6 out of the same case. I can't remember how deep in I am. I want to thank everybody in advance for taking part in the break, and I wish everybody good luck here. I believe yesterday it was. I pulled a nice Lars Eller limited auto patch. Nice, I think it was 3, borderline 4 colors, depending on how you want to look at the one of the colors. So let's hope we can continue that luck. Good luck, everybody. Base cards are not shipped with this break. You know what? I'm going to just kind of move things around a little bit so I have a little bit of room in the middle here to display the cards. There we go. Brad Park, Mika Kiprusoff, Ryan Miller. Rookie Extended does get shipped. This is R43 Diaz for the Canadians. Decoy, Joe Thornton. I am going to move fast though because this is a big box. It usually works out to 10 to 12 minute video. Setaguchi, Gretzky, Marcus Johansson, Calvin DeHaan for the Islanders get shipped. If it would focus, you can see who it is. Rookie Extended R58. Decoy, Corey Perry. I'm going to grab randomly from each one, mix it up a little. Kessler, Tays, Tavares. We have for the Anaheim Ducks R2. Rookie Extended R2. And I cannot say his name. Iaro Tarki. The Anaheim Ducks. I apologize if I butchered that. Decoy, Crawford. Osgood, Ovechkin, Pavlet, Crosby, Decoy, Giroux. Go back to sack number 1. Shanahan, Nash, Vokun. We have rookie Holo effects for the Montreal Canadiens. Aaron Palusha. It's RFX 12. Decoy, Giordano. Modano, Stahl, Brizgalov, another rookie Hall effects. Time for the Devils. Adam Larson. RFX 17 on the back. Decoy and Grabner. Stamkos, Ryan Yandel. Rookie Extended Greg Niemann for the Flames gets shipped. Calgary Flames, Greg Niemann. Decoy and Kopitar. Berglund, Parise, Future Watch Auto for the Ottawa Senators. Stefan DaCosta out of 999. 698 out of 999. Decoy, Briere and Richards. Mike Richards. Bergeron, Anderson, Jordan Staal with something stuck behind it, so it's probably an auto. Yes, it is. Sign of the time. Tyler Seguin for the Bruins. Not a bad hit for the Bruins. Decoy, Nick Lidstrom. LeCavalier, Carey Price. Make sure nothing was stuck there. Decoy, we have SP Essentials, Sidney Crosby for the Pens. Stastny and Brown. Cleary, Linden, Martin St. Louis, Decoy, Cam Ward, and Pavel Datsyuk. Heatley, Wilson, Verbata with something stuck behind it, so it's probably an auto. Yes, it is. JP Dumont for the Nashville Predators. Decoy and Brian Campbell. Vermette, Dubinsky, Future Watch non-auto, Stu Bickle out of 9.99. The man who's 1 of 1 I pulled from the cup. Black 1 of 1, but not this one, sorry. Stu Bickle for the Rangers. Decoy, Chara, and Doan. Marlowe, Robinson, Kane, Sam Gagner, Decoy, and Bufflin. Sakic, Erickson, Green, Future Watch non-auto version for the Buffalo Sabres. Braden McNabb out of 9.99. I think it says 510 out of 9.99 there. Yeah. Decoy and Marian Hossa. The last card on that side before the wrappers take it over. Morrow, Luongo, Rene for the Edmonton Oilers. Rookie extended R28. Chris Vandeveld, sorry. Decoy and James Reimer. Myers, Kuhlman, Sagan, Decoy, Jeff Skinner, SP Essentials, Carolina Hurricanes, of course, and Stephen Weiss. Backstrom, Sedin, Solani, Landeskog, rookie extended R17. Decoy and Zetterberg. Last pack in the middle aisle. And we have the other ones there on the side. Black or Craig Smith for the Predators. Rookie extended R51. If we get it to, there we go. Decoy, Suter, and Luke Adam. Robitaille, Oshie, Barber, Shane Sims. Rookie extended R57 for the Islanders. Decoy and Callahan. I'll slide these guys over a bit. Foligno, Burrows, Getzlaf, Ben Holmstrom. That was Nick Foligno, by the way, not Marcus. Ben Holmstrom, Buffalo Sabres. See, I'm getting all messed up. Ben Holmstrom, Philadelphia Flyers. I was thinking Foligno for the Sabres. Rolison, but I think he got traded, didn't he? My brain doesn't work right now. Marc-Andre Fleury, Dan Boyle, Jonas Hiller. Rookie extended for the Edmonton Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. R33. Decoy and Malkin. Richards, Couture, Jake Gardner for the Leafs. Rookie extended R90. 90, that is. Decoy, Eric Johnson, and James Neal. Kovalchuk, Leno, Paul Postma for the Jets, R98. Decoy, David Jones, and UC Oakland. Okay, so that's it for the box of SP Authentic. I do have another one going tonight, along with Zenith, Ultimate, Titanium, SPX, and Contenders. So if you guys want to take part in any of those, please feel free to. I get hits on all the products. So, anyways, guys, have a great day or night, depending on what. Actually, this got released right now, so have a great day.